Hello and welcome to Cadillac Live. My name's Zane, I'm going to be your live agent today, and we're going to spend the next couple of minutes looking at the 2020 Cadillac CT5. The CT5 is a new Cadillac performance sedan that focuses on contemporary fastback styling, refined performance, and intuitive technology. It is sized and positioned just above the new first ever CT4 sedan. There are 4 models available: Luxury, Premium Luxury, Sport, and the High Performance V Series, all available in rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. There are 2 engines available, a 2-liter turbo and a 3-liter twin-turbo engine, both delivering efficient performance and refinement. The inside of the CT5 is high-tech and comfortable, with cut-and-sewn components on the instrument panel, doors, armrests, and seats. There are 8 interior environments to choose from on the CT5. This particular interior is the available Platinum Package interior, featuring Sedona Sauvage color, Opus semi-aniline leather seating, and carbon fiber decorative trim. The CT5 is packed with technology, including the latest generation Cadillac user experience infotainment system featuring a 10-inch diagonal touchscreen display, center console rotary controller, natural voice recognition, and thoughtfully placed knobs and buttons. Whatever your preference, the CT5 provides choice so you can control the infotainment system the way you want to. Available features in this CT5 include heated and ventilated front seats with lumbar massage, heated steering wheel, wireless phone charging, 15-speaker Bose Performance Series audio system, OnStar with 4G LTE Wi-Fi with included trial period, and the rear vision camera. The rear camera mirror streams rear-facing video that expands to provide a wider, less obstructed rear field of view than a traditional rear view mirror. The vehicle I'm reviewing today is a 2-liter turbo all-wheel drive premium luxury model in available crystal white tri-coat paint. Notice the 100% LED lighting outside and inside the vehicle. This CT5 includes an available ultra-view sunroof and available 19-inch diamond-cut bright finish wheels with run-flat all-season tires. This particular vehicle is also equipped with numerous available active safety features, including forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and much more. We've only just started to scratch the surface on the CT5. If you'd like to learn more, please call Cadillac Live and you can have your own personalized one-on-one tour.